Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and in this video I am going to show how to add barcode scanner feature into your mobile application. Let's create a new app, Ionic 4, with name Barcode app. Application is ready, and first what we have to do, import Appery plugin, in our case Barcode Scanner. After that, we will have Barcode Scanner generic service, which accepts a lot of parameters, but in our situation we can leave all parameters with default values. And if we take a look at response of our service, we can see that service return text format, which can be barcode or QR code, and also canceled property, which can be 0 or 1 in case if, for example, user decided to cancel barcode scanning. Now let's create a UI for our application. Go to screen 1. Let's add button. Change text to, for example, scan. Then we have to add data source, barcode scanner service. Let's change the name to barcode. When we will press scan button, we'll have to invoke our service. So let's specify it. Invoke service barcode. And last step, let's make mapping. For that, let's add text field, and in this text field we will display information which is encoded into our barcode. So let's remove default value, then go to the data and press mapping for success branch. Everything what is needed, just drag and drop text field from the response on text property of our text component. And that is, as you already mentioned, I created this application using only my mouse. So now let's first of all test in preview how our application works. Our application is ready, and now let's press scan button. So here you see predefined response. Of course it was made in order to simplify development process. And now let's test our application on real mobile device. For that, let's generate native build. So we can generate Android or iOS build. I already have generated iOS build, and now let's test it on real mobile device. Now you see the screen of my real mobile phone, iPhone X. Now let's press scan button and let's find QR code. So as you see, QR code was successfully recognized, and now on the screen we see the information which was encoded into that barcode, QR code, sorry. This is all what I wanted to show in this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel.